My name's Elizabeth Ballard. I am a family medicine physician for Cox at Branson West Clinic. My training is I went to University of Missouri Columbia for my undergraduate and medical school, and I went to St. John's, now Mercy, family medicine in St. Louis. I take care of from birth to death, although lately most of my patient population has been older. And I do women's health, and I do small procedures like skin biopsies or cyst removal or sutures of simple lacerations. I like getting to know patients and taking care of them and knowing more about them than just what pills can treat. You know, I know about their dogs and their cats and their family and their grandkids and things they like to do. What kind of work a lot of my patients are retired, so I like to know what kind of work have they done in their life, and are they connected to people, are they not connected to people? And so I just like getting to know patients and taking care of them and partnering with them in their health care, and they tell me what they know, I tell them what I know, and we come up with a plan that works for them. Well, originally I was going to be a pediatrician, and because I really liked kids. And when I got into medical school and I started doing my rotations, I did women's health first, and I really liked that. And then I did internal medicine, and I really liked that as well. And so family medicine allows me to do both children, adolescents and adults, as well as women's care. I could have done med peds, but that would leave the women's care out of it. So when I was a resident, I did the OB tract, and I really liked delivering babies, but that really is impossible trying to do a practice and do delivering and all that. So I enjoyed it while I did it and left it there. And when I came down here, they really didn't have openings over at the other clinic, and I heard that they may be looking for a physician here. So before I went through the official interview and everything, I came by, I knew someone who was the practice manager here at the time, and he introduced me to the physician that was here now, and I just wanted to make sure that we got along, and he was a nice person and it would be something I'd want to do. And so I met them first, and then I applied to Cox and said, hey, I've already toured the facility. Are you looking for a physician? And they were. So anybody who knows me knows that I love animals. So we have 4 dogs, and we used to have cats. We had about 6 cats and 2 birds. Here I feed the birds a lot. I have a little place outside my window, so when I need a moment of peace to go look at something, I go out and look at my Hummer feeders or my seed feeder. I like boating, so my husband and I moved down here for the lake, and so anytime on the water is a good day. And we have about 15 grandkids, so we're pretty involved and do things with family and grandkids. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters, and about 18 nieces and nephews who are now married, and they have kids. So during the summer we call it we're in season, because everybody comes down for a weekend. So almost every weekend is taken from about Memorial Weekend to Labor Day. I play the guitar and I sing, so some people know that about me. And so those are, and I camp. My husband and I love to camp, so those are kind of outside things that I do.